Hi, I'm Mark Fujii with Capital Projects and Construction. I'm the project manager for the School Business Administration's renovation and expansion project that we've just started. We have retained an architect on the job, SRG Partnerships and Banish Architekten, a German company who has an office in Boston, Massachusetts. We're in the middle of programming, and we've interviewed nearly every faculty member in the School of Business and many of the students, both grad and undergrad. Design concepts have been developed, and we are very excited about the possibilities. We hope to finish the entire design by the end of April and be constructing from there. Our finished construction date is projected to be November 30th, 2016, just in time for winter term. On this project, they initially came with four concepts. Four concepts that were intentionally not intended to be the solution to the design, the final design, but merely to explore the outer boundaries of what's possible. Concept number one was to establish a second building that would be separate from the existing School of Business and School of Education. Concept number two was intended to be tall and create kind of an iconic structure for the university. Concept number three was just another version of concept number one, in that there's a separate structure, but it also opened up the dark, closed-in feeling of the existing School of Business and created a hole in it, really, where much light and could be, an atrium could be created, and much light and brightness could be added to the building. Many people were very excited about that concept. Number four is another fairly popular concept. It actually looked like several drawers of a dresser being pulled out in different lengths, and so having different layers of the building being exposed from the first through the sixth to the rooftop. From here, the concepts will be developed. They showed those to us a couple weeks ago. They've been working on them, another version of them. They heard our ideas and responses, and now they're going to come back with, rather than four, they're going to come back with two other concepts that they hope to get favorable responses from.